History is shaped by powerful leaders, their decisions, and their words. And today, we will look at some of the most brutally honest quotes from one of the most revered leaders of the 20th century, Winston Churchill. Known for his unwavering determination and powerful speeches, Churchill's words not only inspired his contemporaries, but continue to resonate with people all around the world even today. So let's dive in and explore some of the most impactful and thought-provoking quotes from this great leader. Blood, toil, tears, and sweat. We shall have blood, toil, tears, and sweat. This quote is from one of Churchill's most famous speeches, the "We shall fight on the beaches" speech, which he gave in June 1940 after the British Expeditionary Force had successfully escaped from Dunkirk. In this speech, Churchill rallied the British people to fight against the Nazi invasion of France and Belgium. He acknowledged the immense challenges that lay ahead, but also expressed his unwavering determination to resist the enemy. The quote, "Blood, toil, tears, and sweat," encapsulates the sacrifices that would be required for the war effort, but also the strength and resilience of the British people. It is a call to action that inspires people to this day. Never let a crisis go to waste. This quote is often attributed to Churchill, though there is some debate over its authenticity. However, it has become a popular saying that is often used to describe the ability to turn negative situations into positive opportunities. In the context of World War II, Churchill was known for his ability to use crises to inspire action and achieve his goals. For example, he was able to rally the British people to fight against the Nazis despite the country's unpreparedness for war. Americans will always do the right thing. After they've tried everything else, this quote reflects Churchill's pragmatic approach to international relations. He understood the complexities of the political landscape and was willing to work with anyone who shared his goals, regardless of their political system or ideology. Continuous improvement is a moral obligation. This quote highlights Churchill's commitment to personal and professional growth. He believed that it was his duty to constantly improve himself and that this was a moral obligation that all people should strive to meet. These are just a few of the many powerful and thought-provoking quotes from Winston Churchill. His words continue to inspire and motivate people all around the world and serve as a reminder of the importance of courage, determination, and integrity in the face of adversity. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.